We have to factorize 16a to the power 5 minus 144a to the power 3. So solution will be 16a to the power 5 minus 144a cube. We'll take 16a cube common from these two. Now it will become a square minus 9. 16a cube, it can be written as a square and 9 can be written as the square of 3. So 16a cube into a plus 3 into a minus 3. From the identity x square minus y square, it can be written as a plus 3 into a minus 3. So 16a to the power 5 minus 144a to the power 3 is equal to 16a to the power 3 into a plus 3 into a minus 3. This is the answer. There is another problem. It is 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. We have to factorize these. So solution will be, it is 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. It can be written as 25a square minus 2b square. 4b square can be written as 2b square minus 2 into 2b into 7c. It is 28bc, and it can 49c square can be written as 7c square. So now it is the square of 5a square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. From a minus b whole square, it can be written as 2b minus 7c whole square, which is equal to 5a minus 2b minus 7c into 5a plus 2b minus 7c. Further, it is 5a minus 2b plus 7c into 5a plus 2b minus 7c. So 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square is equal to 5a minus 2b plus 7c into 5a plus 2b minus 7c. This is the answer.